Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to check the occipitomastoid, okay? I'm going to check the left and the right. I also check, you see, the trapezius. I'm pushing it down like this and like this. And you see, this doesn't go down.
Wow.
See this, you feel it? That this goes down very easily and this doesn't go. So I just palpate it. You feel it?
Yeah.
Here, not so much. Now I go to the sternocleidomastoid. It's here. I'm going to press it. You feel it?
Yes.
It's painful a little bit. Yes. Now I'm going to do the other side. No. But you need to remember this technique won't work if the problem is in the organ. So what I'm going to do now, I'm checking the occipitomastoid and it's black. Now put your hand over here, the left hand, yes. Still black. Put your hand here.
You check the organ first to make sure that the problem doesn't come from the organs.
Yes. And you see the heart, the lungs, open the occipitomastoid. And so what I'm going to do, I know that the lungs are the problem for the occipitomastoid. So it doesn't work, it doesn't do any good if I'll now work on the occipitomastoid. You understand? I can open it, but it will get blocked in a second because the tension, because the sympathetic, because the nerve here will make it close again. And now I'm going to make an experiment. Okay? Let's see like this. Can you press this a little bit harder? Okay. Now, do you have pain here?
Yes, it'll do.
A little, it's changed, right? Do you have pain here?
Yes, more.
More pain. So this releases the sternocleidomastoid, but not the trapezius. It means the trapezius is coming from somewhere else. Okay? Yeah,
Detective Oren, let's go.
okay. Now I'm just going to show. This is how I know this is the process that you need to do. To check which, according to the organs that the vagus is innervating, you need to see if it can open it. And with him, the lungs open it. Why? Why I thought about it? Because I saw him smoking.
I was really wondering.
Yeah, but now I will try to release it with cranial technique.
Release what?
Release the occipitomastoid with cranial technique.
So extrarotation with the temporal.
And now I'm doing indirect. I take the temporal into internal rotation and the occiput into extension. And now I'm closing the system and slowly it starts to open. Beautiful, much better. But this will be only partial because it's one hole. Why? Because I saw that some of the tension comes from the lungs. So even though I will open now the occipitomastoid, it will have partial results. But how I know that I will open it, I'm going to check in a minute the trapezius and the sternocleidomastoid. Let's check. 50%. Good. I'm happy. Okay, so now I open it to my satisfaction. Not 100%, but 80%. So now I'm going to check again the trapezius and the sternocleidomastoid. If the muscle have changed, it means that I opened the joint. Yes? So I'm going to again. Do you have sensitivity? Pain? Not so much. Good. I'm going to touch the trapezius. Much better. You see that the tension in both of the muscles got reduced. This is how I know that I opened the suture. Okay, but you still see that it still have some pain. So it means that it still have some areas that that pull. And one of them is here, one of them is the psoas, and so on, that I will show you later. Bend your knee. Bend the left knee. More to your chest.
Check
Öyle mi?
Yeah, like this.
İkisi mi tek?
No. Do you have pain?
No.
No. Thank you. You see? So what is putting tension on the trapezius is pulling of the psoas. When I cancel the pulling of the psoas, there is no pain here. So I know I need to work on the psoas. Okay?
With trapezius, there's also another connection with neutral ligament.
Yes, but this is something else. Okay, this is how I know. You need to remember that if you still have pain, it means that it's not only one-dimensional. The trapezius has many connections. It's a very big muscle. Like Mehmet said, it's connected to the nuchal ligament, it's connected to the occiput, it's connected to the shoulder blade, scapula, and so on. But when you inhibit or cancel the pulling of these places, the tension here should disappear. So we're going to see a lot of connection, but this is one of the major one. Okay? The occipitomastoid. Okay, in the future I'm going to show you much more because it has a lot of connection.